Alright, working on the 40 late at night. Putting the dash panel back in. Obviously you can't see jack. There it is. Oh my god, look at it shiny. Turn that off. Yeah, look at that. Much better. So, now I just gotta start, replacing everything. Replacing all the junk. So I'm gonna crawl back onto there. Try to get the rest of those connections hooked up. In case you didn't know, this is what the back of a 40 dashboard looks like. Gauge, G-A-G-E. So gauges, I'm gonna mess around here. This is the normal wire that would go to all of the gauges. And I have a voltage reducer that I might slap on there. So yeah, I might do that actually. I gotta connect all these back up though. I remember how they go. Alright, let me do that. I know you can't see jack, but this is the back. There you go, look at that. Doesn't even match the dash at all. But, looks a lot better than before. Definitely stands out. Let's see if we can fix that. Alright, I'll venture on the upstairs. Now you guys haven't been up here in a while. I think I have my voltage regulator thing. A voltage reducer up here. I'll check those out. So, let me see if I actually do. So 46 to 48 stuff. Aha! Dennis Carpenter, 32 to 55 voltage reducer for dash gauges. Right there. Whoops. I don't know what I dropped. That's not good. It could be anything. Oh, piss. Well, you know what? Oh, it was honestly probably just a screw. Sounded like a screw. So I don't think I need anything else with this, except for instructions. So it's probably a screw. Damn it. Probably could have used that screw too. Alright, so I figured I'd update you on this. The back panel is tacked in place. I got these strips here tacked in and planished. Same with this side. Nice tight gaps. This side too. The bottom area. You probably can't see much, the glare is out of control, but back end's in, kind of just got to finish weld everything and finish the welds off, and then we can work on the roof. Put this body back down, straight on the swirly bob, and you know, stick it, start knocking the roof out, get these panels fixed up, welded in. So right here, fixed up as in put that in, then weld, seam weld this, and cut this out, replace this. A lot of things still to do, but as you can see inside here, a lot of this car has been replaced. Kind of crazy. So yeah, let me just continue on this, get this back panel all welded up, and yeah, we'll continue. Hopefully, I don't know, sun is in a bad spot. Hopefully we get to work on 40 a little bit. I know I worked on it a little bit last night. Let me show you in the daytime. Those gauges, hopefully you can see something. Which no, you can't, because the sun's shining right into it. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, sun. There you go. That looks pretty good. A little too good. And I did put that, what do you call it? I put that voltage reducer onto the dash to try to power the gauges, and none of them are working. I don't know. I don't know if something's wrong or some of the gauges aren't hooked up to what they're supposed to be hooked up to, but it didn't work as well as I wanted it to. You know, I might actually start shining this thing up. Look at how good that looks versus over there. Either me or Kelly, somebody will do that. That does look good though. Alright, so since it ain't been raining out, I've been leaving the Roadster pickup outside, but I don't have any antifreeze in it. There's still water. So, I gotta change that. So I got some concentrate here. A little bit's gonna be better than none, I guess. It caught before the battery died, but I just added some antifreeze. It took about a half a bottle, and there's still some more to go, so I'm letting it run and kind of mix together, and I'll add some more. Yeah, still nothing in there so far. And when I squeeze this, I see a little bit, so still more to go. Alright, I got this welded up here, the side welded, the whole thing. Oh, actually missed the crack. I'll weld that later. It's all welded up. Just gotta finish the weld off. Up there it gets a little wonky, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I'm sure the planishing will fix that, but yes. Yeah, look at that. Whoa, crazy. So, I'm not really going to worry about that because we're welding an insert in here anyway, so it's not too big of a deal. This just has to get pulled up, and it matches everything else once it's hammered flat. That'll be fine. But like I said, the insert's coming here. I think it's coming all the way back here. So, you really don't have to worry about that. So I'm going to finish from the weld back, and if I need to weld more of this, of course I will, to accommodate for how far back the insert goes. But yeah, a lot of welding today. Yeah, that's about 24 because it wraps around the top. So 4, 8, yep, 12 foot of welding right there. So that took a little bit. Alright, hopefully, oh, actually, tomorrow, Firestone's coming with a little present for us for the 40 Tudor Sedan. So when he comes, I'm going to share that with you guys. It's going to be pretty cool. I just need to get a couple more things before I want to install all that stuff. But it's happening soon. It's coming. And I'm still trying to get that mystery car. If anybody wants my 35 rear fenders, if anybody wants a supercharger, if anybody wants, I just posted this up. the APA because, you know, I don't have the Phaeton anymore. So 40,000 mile APA, super clean on the inside. I think I posted it before when I had a water pump off. Like, there's nothing in there. It almost looks like it's been hot tanked, but it's just a clean engine. It's got the 8RT truck pumps, I believe they're called. I don't remember, but they're for like an AV8 if you want to put it either in a truck or your Model A. You need these pumps. Edmunds intake, 294s, new old stock Holley spark plugs, Mallory dual point ignition, brand new wires from Noble Speed. You know, it's just all set up. It comes with a 39 transmission with open drive, so you can run your 9-inch in the back or whatever the heck you want to run there. Set of headers. Come on, somebody local, you want this, you need this. Drop it right in. Well, you know, get a Power Master and a crank pulley and then drop it right in. It's a complete setup right there. Alright guys, enough peddling parts to you guys. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.